What's going on, YouTube? You may be asking yourself, why am I looking at two pistols? You're definitely not asking yourself, if you're familiar with this channel for even more than a minute, why you're looking at a 10-ounce silver bar. And if you are asking yourself that, I'll tell you, it's because I picked it up yesterday. Pistol Packing Pilot has asked that we support his new, well, not his new, his longtime buddy that has a new channel, which is Pistol Packing Pastor. So we're going to do a shout out video for the two of them. Now, the reason I have these bad boys laying out is simple. I don't have a sticker for Pistol Packing Pilot. From this point on, I'm going to call them Pilot and Pastor because, believe it or not, saying Pistol Packing before their names is starting to get confusing. I actually had to reshoot this video. The first one I shot, I kept screwing up. And the reason for that is I just got back from the gym and I'm still a little bit jacked up from the workout. I feel good. I don't have a sticker for Pilot, but we're working on that. I'm setting something out tonight for you, brother. It is Tuesday night. It will be in my outgoing. It will leave here tomorrow. Probably start really heading your way on Thursday. There will be a channel sticker in there from me. I hope to receive one from you, and I will include another additional piece of love for you, brother. Just cause that's how we roll. Pistol Packing Pastor, or Pastor for this video. He's got 3 videos up now. Yeah, 3. He's been around a couple weeks on the channel. He does stack, to my knowledge, and he does pack, so I like him. And he has a belief system that I also respect. I'm not sure that he stacks quite like a lot of us, but definitely a member of the community, not just because he does stack, but because he's friends with Pilot and because he has a lot of similar mindsets to a lot of us, so I'm on board with that. I have my first pistol I ever bought to represent Pilot, because I don't have a sticker. My Ruger P89 DAO. I bought this when I was a very young wee lad, and it served me well. And I have my everyday carry, and the reason it's in Kydex, I usually use leather, is because when I'm at the gym, and this goes in my duffel bag in the locker, which is one of the only 2 times I'm unarmed, the other time being sleeping. I want it secure in my duffel bag, in my gym bag, in some kind of holster, and then the rest of the time I carry this shield in a piece of leather with a clip on it that we call an inside waistband holster. So yes, I have 2 holsters for the same weapon. And the reason I chose to lay my shield out, which is my everyday carry, is because in Pastor's video, one of them, he had a shield laying out as well. So this is to represent both of you boys. If you have a sticker, Pastor, let me know. I would love to grab one. And then the 10-ounce bar in the middle, they can fight over. Just kidding. It's mine. Anyway, guys, go show both of them some love and some support. Check them out. I'm sure you're familiar with Pilot, but if you're not familiar with Pastor, go check him out. If you're not familiar with Pilot, go check him out. Hit that button of love that we call a subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up, you know. Guys, it takes a lot of time to do this YouTube thing. Trust me. It's getting really time consuming. So the least we can do is support each other. Hit that thumbs up on the videos. Hit that subscribe. Give them a watch. Show them some love. Links will be in the description of this video. And I might as well plug my channel too. Comment, like, subscribe. This channel is growing thanks to all of you amazing people. I do, of course, want to continue the growth. The more the better, the faster the better, but I am patient. I'm very grateful to all of you. You can choose to spend your time anywhere. And the fact that you choose to spend some of it with me is phenomenal. You are wonderful people. Thank you so much for your support. This channel is growing, like I said. Let's keep on that train of growth. Constitutional Stacker. Thank you very much. Check out those channels, link in the description, and keep stacking.